Dead ass, bro. It's dead ass brick, bro. Brick, bro. Whew. Chill. That little gust of wind just gave me shivers, bro. It's brick, bro.
Hey, spark that shit up, man. Hey, spark that shit up, man.
We got all these. We got the brakes done, fronts and rear. All that crap is done. So we got the brakes up. Still gotta put the lines in and bleed them. So here's what I got. Just adjust the camera. Here's what we got. So we got my old stuff off of the off from when it was originally ABS. Brought this here for nothing. Well, that's a damn shame.
Hey, spark that shit up, man.
Just wanted to show you, how long it takes to do a line usually, It takes a little while, especially if it's a steel line like this. I was going to do all new lines here for all these this goes to the front right wheel, front left to the master cylinder, and the other side to the master cylinder over here as well. And also I need one to the left front of the car, so that comes out of this hole right here. I don't know if you guys hear me too well, but I'm just going to reuse the original steel lines that's going to the wheel wells. That way they don't rust as fast as the copper will. Even though the copper is supposed to be rust resistant, it rusts pretty quickly compared to the steel lines. I like to run the steel. They're a little much better. They're much harder to bend than the regular copper lines. So, see, I got it all suited up in there. She's looking good right now. So I'm gonna get the right side done. Hopefully that line just go right around the car. Get the right side done. The left side, and then start marking up from the master cylinder to the proportion valve. I have to figure out which side these go on. I don't know. I don't really know. The hair has a left and a right. I'm not too sure where those go. So we'll figure it out.
Big bow. Skirt in a fast car. Huh? Skirt in a fast car. Skirt could have
I went and I picked these up. These here are just brake lines, copper brake lines. I said I wasn't going to use these. I was going to use a steel, but it turns out I actually don't have. Hold on, let me turn this off. I actually don't have the driver's side brake line, hard line. Apparently, I thought I had it, but I don't. What I might do, I might go to the store tomorrow, and since the engine's not in, it's really easy to bend the lines. I'm not going to lie. The engine was in it. I don't know if I'll be able to bend those, but the engine's not in, so I'm gonna just bend those and get them as close to the body as I can, like I did with this one. Y'all see that one right there? How I finessed that one? Woo! Y'all like that finesse, boy. And it comes right down here. I still got to tighten that guy. I don't know if y'all can see back there in the background. I have the caliper brackets all shimmed, ready to go. Actually, I gotta remember to take a photo of that for the forums before I leave. We got all the suspension installed everywhere. The front suspension is all new bushings, new control arm. You see that? Got the bushings in there. The tie rod's old. The tie rod's the only thing that haven't been changed, but I've been doing some research on the manual rack for this car, and actually, one of these days when I'm not lazy, I gotta go down there and measure the bolt pattern for the rack and the distance in between, and hopefully I could, get a rack to fit this car.
Hey, spark that shit up, man.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Geno. It seems like every time I end the video off, I'm in a black tee. I feel like y'all never see me no other tee, but to be honest, I love black as a color. You feel me? Black is like one of the best colors, bro. And I have mad black shirts. I gotta switch it up, but you gonna see me in a lot of black shirts, man. It's not the same shit. Don't worry, bro. But anyway, yo, before I ended the video, at the garage, I wanted to say that I talked to the engine builder, not the engine builder. I keep saying engine builder. I'm talking to the machine shop that got my block and my head, and the guy said that he decked the surfaces of the head and the block, and I'm glad that I told him to do that because I was just going to tell him to press the sleeves in, but I'm glad I told him to do that because he said that the block was slightly warped and the head was slightly warped. So I'm glad I got that done because that would have been a whole nother hassle. You know, I'm glad I sent that. You know, every time you do a head block or a head, or you take one of those things off, you should always get the head checked. At least get the head checked. It was a good thing I got that checked. You know, the machinist told me that he got all that checked. They decked the head for me. I got asked him how much material he removed, so I don't know if I got to shave the top of the valve. I got to do all the calculations when I get the engine back. Because I'm going to be the one that building the engine. No engine builder here. We building it. I'm building the engine.